Today I'm going to show you how to hide the header and footer from a collections page in Squarespace. So if you want to hide the header and footer from a shop page or a blog page in Squarespace, here's how you do it. Now for normal pages, and I'll drop a link to the video below, there's a really easy toggle, but for these collections pages, you have to use a little custom code. Here's how you do it. All right, so I'm here in my shop on my website, and I'm going to go ahead and back up so you can see what that icon looks like. So I have a couple of shops. Let's look at my template shop here. So if I wanted to hide the header and the announcement bar and the footer from this page, let's go ahead and click the cog icon and go into advanced. And we're going to hop into page header code injection. Now, I've already got some stuff going on here because I have the universal filter installed. So I'm just going to add a little extra space and paste in some code and hit save. All right, you can see that my announcement bar, header, and footer are now gone. I do still have the cookie preferences, which I think is important. But if you want that code, I'll drop a link below to my Linktree alternative post. And let me hit accept here. Keep scrolling down, keep scrolling. And there's an update here for Squarespace 7.1. This is the code that you'll want to grab and add to your shop. Now, let me show you how that works for blogs, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it here because I want my header and footer to show. Let's hop over and just make sure that same code works for the blog. So again, advanced page header code injection. You'll see I'm using the universal filter here. Hit save. And again, no announcement bar, no header, and no footer. So I'll drop a link below to the post where you can copy that code and paste it in. And again, on any of your collections page, you'll go to this cog icon, go to advanced, page header code injection, and just drop it in right here. And again, I'm going to take it off because I want my header and footer to show. But I hope this was helpful and I wish you all the best with your website.